Yeah, look, we're in Western Sydney to announce and launch the business hub for Western Sydney, but also a partnership and a relationship with Olympus Solutions through Ability Options.
Partnerships come from really good conversations. So we've built this relationship from a long-standing conversation we've been having about difficulties faced by our mob. We came together to create solutions, and part of those solutions happened organically because we've got like-minded values, and a collective voice is better than a one-out. So the opportunities that the Land Council can provide to us, partner with our expertise in employment, means positive solutions for our Aboriginal people.
You need to start early. We need to be a part fundamentally of the genesis of every one of these enterprises. And we need to seek partners right from the start. And this is the start of that journey. This is the start of a journey that will, without a doubt, change the lives of Aboriginal people living in this area and give opportunities to people already in business who are Aboriginal, who want to expand and grow their businesses.
Okay, well, the objective for us is to obviously work together with the land councils to make sure that we deliver strong outcomes for Aboriginal people, and that we start to develop an improved service delivery model that delivers more outcomes and more response to the Closing the Gap initiative across all the programs of employment services that we deliver. Look, I think what it means is that we're developing as Aboriginal and non-Aboriginal organisations, improved and continuously developing our cultural response to working with people, and making sure that we continue to move culturally appropriately and together to deliver better solutions for Aboriginal Australians.
The way in which we break the cycle of, the scourge of welfare in our communities is through employment and creating jobs, giving mobs an opportunity to go out and provide for their family. It gives that dignity to the parents. It opens door for our kids because it gives them that they see dad and mum going to work. They see the importance of getting up every day, going out, getting that job, going to work. That then breaks that cycle of that welfare mentality. So if we can help one family out, then we've done our job.